Good morning students and welcome back to your science lecture. We are seeing chapter number 4, that is the brain and the senses. The brain and the senses. Under this chapter we are learning about the brain and the sense organ, how they work. And in our last lecture we have learned about the nerves. We have learned about the nerves. What are the nerves? Nerves are nerve cell joined together. Nerve cell joined together and nerves are formed. Yes, that we have seen. And how many types of nerves? Total how many types of nerves are present in our body? That also we have learned. Are you remembered? Yes. Two types of nerves are present. One is sensory nerve. Another is motor nerve. Yes. For that I have given one example also. So sensory nerve means what? It conveys message from body to brain. Sensory nerve convey message from body organs to nerve or to the spinal cord. And what is meant by motor? Motor nerves. What is meant by motor nerve? It's convey message from brain to body parts. Yes, this is the motor nerve. So these two types of nerves we have seen. Again, in this today's special topic, we will learn about the spinal cord in detail, because it is very much important part of our body. Yes, and it is known as mini brain also. It is known as mini brain as well. So we will see here. So here we can see that is the spine. Spine and spinal cord is very different. Spine means only the bones, the structure of bones. That is called spine. Means the structure of bone. Here we are learning today spinal cord. Special topic we are learning here, spinal cord. Spine means the bones joined together. The beads. Beads are there. Any ornament you have seen, pearls ornament. Yes, you can see. You must have seen everywhere the ornament of pearl. Yes, and one cord is passed through that beads. That beads means that pearls. So like that beads. This is the spine. That spine is made up of bones, the pieces of bones like that, and the joint is called cartilage. Here the joint is called cartilage. Why? Joint is here. We will discuss here. Here the spine is like that. It is the small pieces of bones joined together, and it is called vertebral column as well. It is called vertebral column. And again it is known as spine. Spine means only the bones, that is present as a outermost protective shield. That is outermost protective shield for the spinal cord. Yes, and the thread-like structure, the bunch of thread like this structure, it is spinal cord. So this is a spinal cord. Yes. So what is the spinal cord? The thread-like structure, it's known as spinal cord, that we have seen. So these are the bunch of nerves. This is the bunch of nerves. Many millions and millions nerves combined together, and form a bunch like that. Like a bunch of thread. Yes, like that. That bunch pass through the pass through the vertebral column. Yes, this is the vertebral column. Only this structure is called vertebral column. And the nerves, the bunch of nerves pass through it. It is a spinal cord. It is a spinal cord. That whole structure is not spinal cord. Only the bunch of nerves are called spinal cord. And the outer structure is known as vertebral column. Column is hollow structure. Column means hollow structure. We know any column that is a hollow structure. Initially, without the spinal cord, that bones are hollow. Internally, these are hollow in structure. This vertebral column is hollow, and through this hollow structure, spinal cord is passed as a bunch of nerve. As like the beads, the thread is passed through the beads. You know that. The abacus instrument you have seen, the beads are there. Through that beads, what is passed? Iron rod is passed there. Like that, here spinal cord is passed through that beads-like structure, that is vertebral column or spine. That outer structure is called spine. And this spinal cord is very much delicate in nature, so that it is protected by the vertebral column. And this vertebral column, that bones are joined by the cartilage. You know, any visor you have seen for the nut bolt, for the fitting of nut bolt? Yes, visor we are using. Why? Because the friction, convenience of the friction. Similarly here, cartilage is the joint of that bones which are present in vertebral column. This is called cartilage here. This is cartilage. Yes, it is present at every joint of that bone of vertebral column, and it is made up of rubbery tissue. Why it is made up of rubbery tissue? As the rubbery tissues are flexible in nature, we can bend our back. Like that. Yes, if ये यदि पूरा का पूरा ऐसे स्टीफ होता, if it is stiff or straight, it is hard only. If these bones are hard, we will not able to bend our back as our back is able to bend. Yes, like that. That means our backbone is flexible, because the joint of our vertebral column is made up of rubbery tissue, that is called cartilage. Yes, it is very important. These are flexible. Yes. So through this vertebral column, spinal cord is passed, and this spinal cord is joined to the brain here. The spinal cord is joined to the brain here. Here it is joined to the brain, and here brainstem is present. And that brainstem is a joint of spinal cord and brain. Yes. So it is very important. It is work as mini brain. Why I am telling it work as mini brain? Because many times it happen, it is not possible to take every decision for the brain. ब्रेन क्या है? एक मेन ऑफिस है ना? तो ये मेन ऑफिस तो बहुत ऊपर है, तो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तो यहाँ तक है, मतलब ये हमारे बॉडी के बहुत सारे नियर है, बहुत सारे पार्ट्स के नियर है. तो ऐसा इमरजेंसी में इतना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है कि हमारा ब्रेन की तरफ वो मैसेज जाएगा, फिर ब्रेन रिप्लाई देगा, तब वो हमारे ऑर्गन काम करेंगे. ये इमरजेंसी में पॉसिबल नहीं है. जैसे आई विल गिव वन एग्जांपल. इफ एनी फायर work is going on anywhere, and we get burning sensation, my hand is burning. If I got the burning sensation, my hand is got burning sensation, immediately I pull my hand backward. Yes, it's happening or not? Are you understanding? If, see here one example I will give. If one pin will prick to my fingers, so what will happen? Immediately I will stretch stretch, I will pull my hand backward. Will I let that finger to prick out? No, I will not let my finger to prick. Means ये पिन को अंदर जाने देगी क्या? नहीं जाने देगी. Immediately I will pull my hand backward, and this action is very quick action. This action is very quick action. Immediately when we will see any danger, if we will see any snake, if we are walking along the road and suddenly we will see snake, we will stop. We will stop our movement. Yes, will you do or not? So this decision, immediate decision, who will take? If there will not any time, there will not time our body. हमारे बॉडी को इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता है कि यदि मेरा हाथ अभी जल रहा है तो ये मैसेज ब्रेन को जाएगा, फिर ब्रेन मैसेज देगा मुझे कि चलो अभी रुक जाओ, हाथ को पीछे खींचो. इतना टाइम मिलता है क्या? नहीं मिलता है. Immediately we pull our hand, we pull our finger backside. Yes. So this immediate decision is called reflex action. It is called reflex action. That reflex action has taken by this spinal cord. क्योंकि spinal cord तो नियर है, तो मैसेज हमारी बॉडी, मेरा हाथ जल रहा है, ये मैसेज हाथ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को देगा. हाथ जल रहा है तो ये मैसेज स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को देगा. ब्रेन तक जाने को तो उसको बहुत टाइम लगेगा, तो ये स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को देगा, और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड यहाँ ही डिसीजन देगा, चलो पुल योर हैंड बैक साइड, पुल योर हैंड बैक साइड. तो इमीडिएट एक्शन यहाँ पर हो जाती है. समझ में आया? तो ये जो इमीडिएट एक्शन हम जो लेते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. दैट इमीडिएट एक्शन वी डू इन इमरजेंसी, that is called reflex action. Yes, which reflex action, which are the reflex action in emergency, which quick action followed by our organs, it is called reflex action. In emergency, which quick action followed by our organs of our body, it is called reflex action. And that reflex action are controlled by spinal cord. वो कौन कंट्रोल करता है? एक्शन अभी ले लो, हाथ पीछे करो, रुक जाओ, डोंट मूव, स्नेक इज देयर. Who will tell that? Our spinal cord give to us that message, that in emergency for the quick action, spinal cord control all that actions. So that it is a sub office. It is a branch of our brain. So that it is called mini brain. It is called mini brain because itself it can take its decision many times in emergency. That's why it is very much important. And our body at first give message to spinal cord. Body से message पहले कहाँ जाएंगे? यहाँ से डायरेक्ट ब्रेन तक तो कोई कनेक्शन नहीं होता है, तो बॉडी पार्ट से ये नर्व्स कहाँ तक जाती है पूरी की पूरी? Where it will reach to the spinal cord, then the spinal cord will give message to the brain, and then the brain will give the message to spinal cord, and the spinal cord will give message to the brain. Many times it happen, but in emergency, the quick action where we have to take that control, that quick action, reflex action are controlled by the spinal cord itself. That's why it is called as a mini brain. So understood that? So it is very important to understand. So draw that diagram. It is very simple diagram. First you have to draw vertebral column. Like that vertebral column you have to draw. Yes, simple, in simple manner you have to draw. Here, like that vertebral column means spine only, outer spine only you have to draw. Yes, and the joint, it is very much important. Without this joint, it is not possible to having a complete vertebral column. So this joint you must have to draw. This is cartilage. This is cartilage. Yes, that also you have to give the label. This is the vertebral column. This is vertebral column, and spinal cord, the bunch of nerve. It is only called the spinal cord. Many times students confuse that the whole outer structure they call for that outer structure they call that outer structure spinal cord. Yes, to that whole structure they call spinal cord. But spinal cord is different than the vertebral column. Learn, understand this very well. It is very much important. ये पूरा का पूरा spinal cord नहीं है. Spinal cord is only the bunch of this nerve. That is spinal cord. Yes, and that outer structure that is made up of bones, pieces of bones, it is vertebral column or spine. It is called also spine. Yes, and the cartilage which is made up of rubbery tissue. These are flexible in nature. That's why it is easy to move for us. Easy to move, bend our back. Okay. So this was about the spinal cord and vertebral column. Yes, I hope you understood that. Thank you.